Hello students, today's topic is velocity of electron in nth orbit. What must be the velocity of electron when it is revolving in the nth orbit? So, we all know that when electron revolve around the nucleus in radius Rn and speed in that orbit is Vn, then we can say from the Bohr's quantization principle m Vn Rn is equal to nh upon 2 pi, right? M Vn Rn is equal to nh upon 2 pi. So, what is the Vn? What is the Vn? From there, Vn must be equal to nh upon 2 pi m into Rn. Now, we already calculated the value of Rn, and Rn is equal to 0.529 into n square angstrom, n square by z angstrom. So, if we put the value of Rn in that case, then Rn Vn is equal to n h upon 2 pi m into 0.529 n square by z into 10 raised to power 10, because when we convert angstrom in meters, then 10 raised to power minus 10, and it will go upside, then it is 10 raised to power 10. Then putting all these values, we can calculate Vn is equal to 2.18 into 10 raised to power 6 z by n angstrom meter per second. So, this is the velocity of electron in nth orbit. For hydrogen atom, for hydrogen, what is the value of z? Z is equal to 1. So, Vn is equal to 2.18 into 10 raised to power 6 by n meter per second. Now, see, when n increases, velocity of electron decreases, means when electron is away from the nucleus, then speed of the electron reduces, and it is inversely proportional to the n. So, V1 raised to V2 raised to S on is equal to 1 2 raised to 1, like that. So, we can calculate this, right.